When you talk about fish, there's definitely a hierarchy. For example, if you were to say to me, "Oh, what are you making?" and I said bronzino, people would say, "Ooh, bronzino." And if I invoked the name of the grand poobah of the fish world, Chilean sea bass, Chilean sea bass, that is so posh. FYI, it's really Patagonian toothfish, which doesn't look nearly as sexy on a menu, and most of it doesn't even come from Chile. But if I say I'm making cod, people are like, "Oh, cod." Well, let me tell you something. At about 10 bucks a pound, you get a lot of bang for your buck, and that's for the fillet. Bronzino is 10 bucks a pound, but it's for the whole fish. By the time you're done filleting it, you end up with a lot less fish for your money. And Chilean sea bass at $25 a pound, don't even get me started. So today, I'm going to show you how to make a delicious salad with codfish that you can use in fish tacos. It's easy and it is so delicious. So let's give codfish the respect that it's due. Steam 1.5 pounds of codfish for about 8 minutes until it's opaque and flakes with a fork. Put it in a bowl. Add 1 container of cherry tomatoes sliced in half. Add half of a red onion sliced thin. Add half a cup of Kalamata olives rough chopped. Add 1 handful of cilantro chopped. Add the juice of 2 limes and then drizzle with olive oil. Look how pretty that is. It's so colorful. Now that it's prepared, you can heat it up, serve it on taco shells, or you can just eat it over greens. It's healthy, delicious, and it's cod. Who knew?